A warm welcome, Alexei here, and today I would like to talk to you about Terraform and Terraform modules in particular. Do I need to use Terraform modules in my work or not? It's not a secret that many companies today are using cloud functions from other companies to do their business. And each cloud provider has their own way to deploy the cloud infrastructure. And let's say if you know how to deploy AWS, this helps you a little bit to deploy the Azure, but not really. You need to learn everything from scratch. And the question is there something that can help deploy cloud infrastructure to all those most usable clouds? And the answer is yes, there is, and the technology is called Terraform. And now I would like to show how one particular thing in Terraform can help you save some time and money deploying cloud infrastructure. So let's say our task is to deploy a series of different things in the cloud, and we need to basically describe this thing, each thing separately, and deploy it separately. Then again create a copy of the code and deploy it. And then someone had this great idea, why can't we just describe infrastructure that we need in one place and just parse some parameters to this place, and then it would deploy a series of infrastructure components using this thing. And this thing is basically called module, which contains most code you need to deploy the infrastructure. So let's say it can have 300, 400, 500 lines of code. And then the call of the module, which will be, let's say this is the infrastructure 1, this is the code which is calling the creation of this piece of infrastructure, let's say a virtual machine or a storage bucket. And then this small file which creates this particular thing will simply be much smaller than it would be if we would describe the whole thing in this file. So this means at the end of the day, we would need less code to describe our infrastructure if we have a lot of things which are similar, and we need 100 buckets or we need 10 virtual machines, and this would save us a lot of code. We have a common approach to creating those things. This means we will have all objects of a particular type created in a similar manner, and then the troubleshooting would be much easier, and the bug fixing would be also much easier. Then we can do our changes much faster. This means, let's say we have a new requirement and we need to tag our resources. And if the resources are created using a module, you just need to describe your tag once in the module, and then it will be created automatically for all the infrastructure which is created with this module. Pretty cool. Then we can basically, if we have multiple teams creating the cloud infrastructure, multiple projects, we can make a collaboration between them easier in case they're using the same modules. Let's say we make an offer, create a module, and then everyone can reuse it. That's pretty cool. But then if some team needs a new feature, they don't have to create it separately and no one will know about it. They can simply add this feature to the module, and this will be used by other teams. And yeah, that's basically the reusability. So whatever investment you do to automate an infrastructure, all other projects can reuse it instead of doing it one more time. And you can basically faster reach your goals, faster go live with the project, and this would save time and money. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for attention, and please watch my previous explanations, and see you. Bye.